Hello, in front of me I've got Realme 11. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's go to settings and now enter password and security. Go to lock screen password and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. Let's start with numeric. Use different password type. And again we've got three more numeric password type: 6-digit numeric type, 4-digit and 4 to 16-digit. Let's select 4-digit numeric password and use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select alphanumeric password and to create it enter 4 to 16 letters and digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it connect at least 4 dots. Use it to unlock the phone, and now let's proceed to biometrics. Our first biometric is face unlock. To set it, simply scan your face via front camera. And now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select fingerprint unlock, and to set it, scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done and use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.